Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can use Claude AI's coding feature. So let's begin the video. Now here I have opened the Claude AI, as you can see that, and I have created the account in the Claude AI. You can create one by seeing my previous video on Claude AI. Here for testing Claude AI's coding feature, I will ask Claude AI different questions. So here I'm asking Claude AI, how do you create a simple Hello World web page using HTML and CSS and JavaScript? Here then simply click on the generate option. Now here you can see that they are generating the code for us. So here let's wait and see. Here you can see that they are generating. Here they are running their code. Now here you can see that they have created our web page. Here you can see Hello World web page. Here you can see HTML structure and CSS styling. Here you can also see JavaScript functionality, and here if you talk about the project on the right hand side, here you can see the Hello World and you can change message by clicking on this change message. Now here you can see Hello World in different languages. Here you can see when you will click on change message, then the language will change and you can see hello language in different languages. That was really awesome, and you can also save that by clicking on the save option in the bottom and you can publish that. Now let's create one more. This time I am writing, can you make a button say subscribe to Guide Glimpse in HTML and CSS type. So here after that you can simply click on generate. Here you can see that they are creating the Guide Glimpse subscribe button for us. So I'm really excited to see the results. Here you can see that they are doing the code and they are doing all the formalities. And here you can see that they have created the button. So let's click on this button. I'm clicking but nothing is changing. I want the button to turn red when it will be clicked. So here I'm rewriting the prompt and I'm giving more command to convert the button to red when it will be subscribed. So here I'm writing. Here you can edit and you can later on save the prompt. So here I'm writing that turn red later on after subscribing. So after writing your prompt, you can simply click on the save option here. Now I have given the command, so wait and see how it will turn out this time. So here you can see that they are generating the button for us. Once the button will be created, you can save that and you can also publish that. So here you can see that they have created the button. Now click on it and you can see that it turned red, subscribed. I really like it. Here you can also save that by clicking on the save option. Now here you can see that it have been saved and you can see that it turned red when we clicked on it. I really like it. You can see that the button is created in just a few minutes and it was so nice. Now I have asked him to create a piano game for me. Here you can see the game and you can see the game feature. Here you can see gameplay feature and you can also see here the piano interference and control. And here you can also see how you can play the game. So here first you have to select the difficulty level. Here you can choose hard, easy, medium. So let's go with medium first. Then you click on start game. Here you can see how you can play the game. It's quite nice, but here the one thing I face here, how can I know that whether I'm playing right or not? So I want to make some modification. I'm writing here that turn the palette red when I will play wrong. So here I will write the command, and now you can see that Claude is working on it. It's really nice that you can create the game in seconds and you can also do customization as well. Here you can see that I'm doing customization. So here they are creating piano game with wrong note feedback. So here you have to wait for some time. And now you can see that they have created the game with a wrong note feedback. So here you can see that there's no modification. So let me just check it. Scroll and here you can see some more feature here. Free play, play a song and practice mode. So here you can see that I'm using their currently free play where you can play free and there will be no wrong note feedback will be given here in the free play. And similarly you can also play a song here. When you will click on play a song, then they will play a song for you, and simply you have this practice mode here where you can practice. First you have to listen to the note they are playing, and that afterwards you have to play the same note, and when you will do the wrong, they will show you the wrong note feedback. So let's try. Here I have clicked on the practice mode and now they are playing the note for us, as you can see that. Now once the note will be finished, then you have to play it by yourself. As you can see that when I will click on the wrong palette, you can see that the cross is appearing on the top, meaning that I'm doing wrong. So that's how you can use their wrong note feedback, and it's really nice where you can customize and you can easily learn basic from here, and it's really nice. Now I have asked Claude to create a website for me saying April Fool. So here they are creating the website. Here you can see that they are also using some emojis. Here you can see, and you can see here the website April Fool, the day when trust issues are born. Now here the best thing you can see here, there are many features here given. Tell me a joke, flip everything, and all these things. Here you can click on any one and you can use that. And here for reading a joke you can click on tell me a joke. So let's try it. So I have clicked on that. Now here you can see different jokes here. Why don't scientists trust atom? Because they make up everything. So here you can see these kind of jokes, and on this website you can also use their flip everything feature. And here you can see that how best this Claude AI is working. I realized that they have created the app, the website in just few minutes. And that was all about how you can use this Claude AI's coding feature. And for seeing more videos like this, you can subscribe to Guide Claims. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.